how to change server to North America in Marvel Rivals. In today's video, I will show you how to change your server to North America. Now, to be able to do that, make sure you are in the play page or tab. Now, so that go, and as you can see, this is the server that we will change. Now click on it. Now after that, as you can see, you will see a certain of servers. As you can see, Asia, Middle East, Latin America, and you can find here North America. Now make sure that these servers are much more high, that this server is good. As you can see in Europe, this servers is good. Now make sure if you select one of these, it's good and the signals is high. And after you click on it, as you can see, just uncheck this and click on North, like for example North Virginia, and after that click on confirm, and you will be able to change your server to North America. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.